Hello guys, today we are going to look what inside this cheap Chinese Maxlight power bank. It is 1400 power bank. Why it is not focusing? Okay, it focused. 10,400 mAh, and as you could see, input is 5 volt and output also 5 volt, 2.1 amps. Let's check it first. As this button is broken, I broke this button by pressing too hard, but it is fine. We will see by oh shit. Okay, now let's plug to phone, my old phone. Why not plugging? Okay, yeah, it took and it's lighting up. Right, power bank is good, but the button is broken. Now I am going to open it and see what inside it. Okay, already opened. It can also be opened like this, and that's it. Hollow inside. Before also I opened it, but I didn't make the video. But today I am making the video. This is 3.7 volts battery each, 4 in parallel combination. Okay, I will show holy. Okay, this middle one, loosed one. Okay, as you could see, I will show the whole board by opening it. Alright, here the board is opened, as you could see. Focusing, what is written? V2.0. As you could see here, the negative terminal. Let's focus it to negative terminal. Here written bat minus, and it is the positive terminal. Here also written bat positive, as you could see. Oh alright guys, so once again we back because the light is gone. And look at this part. This is the coil 4R7, and this is the chip. Look at the chip. What is written here? Okay, LM something. I don't know what is it. 9926A in upper side, and downside CG5 27W1. Okay, now look at this bigger chip. Nothing written in this. I don't know why. Unknown package chip. Look at this resistance here. What is this? R050. Holy. Okay, look at this resistance. R050 only written, so I could see. Yes, and the small resistance also. Here also 6-pin chips. What is written? 6205. Alright, 8205 or 6205. I think 6205 only, not 8205. Okay, now look at this 6-pin chip here. I don't know what is it. Nothing written on this chip. Probably nothing, but there's a written here 6205 or 8205. And this is the diode. And let's look at the output point. This is the bigger diode, D7. And what is it? The USB. Nothing is beside. Oh, there is 2 capacitor. Here are 2 capacitors, parallel capacitors, and single diode resistance, not diode. Okay, this is the charging USB jack, and beside here also resistance R100 is 100 ohm probably. And these are the 4 LED lights which blinks to indicate the power of 4 cell. And look at this tiny transistor. What is that? YLD something written, I don't know. Too tiny written, it's very hard to read that SMD components. Alright, that's it, nothing. Alright, you can't make it as it is because this bigger chip has no name. How you can make this unknown package? So it is not possible to remake, and no schematic can. I forgot to show the voltage, so I am showing the voltage of this thing. Holy, why not reading out? Okay, read it. 4.19 volt, 4.20. It is because the battery is fully charged and the maximum voltage of the full charged battery is 4.2 volt. And so as you've seen, that's it. Thanks for watching.